Hello friends, this is Anush Tiwari. Today I discuss about definition and history of genetics. Firstly, we talk about definition of genetics. Genetics may be defined as science deals with the structure, organization, transmission and function of gene and origin of variation in them. Next, history of genetics. First, artificial hybrid produced by Thomas Fairchild in 1717, and hybrid is popularly known as Thomas Fairchild Mole. Second, Lamarck proposed that character acquired by individuals of one generation are transmitted to the next generation. This idea is known as acquired character of inheritance. Mendel also proposed law of dominance, and theory of Lamarck is popularly known as Lamarckism. Concept of natural selection is given by Charles Darwin in 1859, which focused on survival of the fittest while rest are eliminated. Pangenesis scheme is proposed by Darwin, according to which each origin of an individual produced gamete or pangene. Pangenesis theory has no scientific base or diagram background. Weismann soon by Lever rejected. Weismann proposed the germplasm theory, according to which the body of an individual who composed of two different type of tissue. First, somatoplasm, which is non-heritable in nature, and second one, germplasm. This type of tissues heritable nature, in which only germplasm involved in sexual reproduction, heritable nature. Therefore, changes taking in place in germplasm are only transmitted to the next generation. It is proved the hypothesis of pangenesis inheritance. Acquired germplasm theory discard pangenesis hypothesis, inheritance of acquired character hypothesis. Fifth number, John Knight developed commercial varieties of apple, pear, apricot, grapes, etc. through hybridization in 1759 to 1836. Gene is the structural unit of inheritance which carry the character from one generation to another generation. जीन वंशागति की वह संरचनात्मक इकाई है जो कि कैरेक्टर को, गुण को एक पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी तक ले जाता है. Colrater made extensive crosses in F1 Nicotiana species between 1760 to 1766. Next, Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel concluded that the unit of inheritance, which referred as factor, now involved the gene. Mendel proposed the two laws of gene: law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Hence, Mendel is the father of genetics. These laws were discovered by Correns, de Vries and Schermark. Next, Robert Hooke, credited for discovery of cell. Johnson and Johnson construct the microscope. Sladen and Swan give the cell theory in 1839. According to this theory, cell is the structural as well as functional unit of all living organisms. Concept of meiosis is given by Farmer and Murray in 905. Chromosome discovered by Waldeyer in 1888. Chromosomal theory of inheritance is given by Walter and Sutton and Boveri. Concept of mitosis given by Fleming in 1882. Gene, genotype and phenotype name given by Johnson. Definition of gene. Gene is the structural unit of inheritance which governs the transmission of character and extraction of character. Genotype. Term genotype constituent of an individual. Phenotype external appearance of an individual. Next, Johnson gave the pure line theory in 1903. Multiple factor hypothesis given by Yule in 906. Mutagenic effect of X-rays given by Muller in 927. Inwarp error in metabolism given by Garrod in 909. He was British physicist. Next, Beadle and Tatum was give the theory of one gene one enzyme hypothesis. Next, Avery MacLeod McCarthy discovered DNA is genetic material in 944. Watson and Crick give the double helix model of DNA in 1953. If we talk about double helix model of DNA, there are two types of base present in double helix model of DNA. So first one purine and second one pyrimidine. Bases are present in this type of model, which name adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, uracil. Adenine and thymine, between adenine and thymine double bond present, and cytosine and uracil joined with triple bond. Base to base distance 3.4 angstrom and pair base to pair base distance 34 angstrom. Barber and McClintock discovered jumping gene in 950. Jumping gene, also known as transposon. Najerberg and co-worker discovered genetic code in 1961. Jacob and Monod discovered operand concept in 961. Arbour, Nathan and Smith discovered endonuclease enzyme in 1970. So, if these scientists discovered these terms, so we know about these terms: what is jumping gene, genetic code, operand concept, and operand type. Let's know about jumping gene. Jumping gene, those genes which change their position or chromosome because change in expression. Next, genetic code. Genetic code have triple base which keep the express codon. Codon is also known as amino acid. Codon is actually the substance which is called as amino acid. Operand concept. Operand concept consists of three factors, mainly promoter, operator and extractor. These three factors are responsible for transcription and finally biosynthesis of enzyme. Cytogenetics is the branch of biology which study of chromosome. Operand type, inseparable type, positive, and repressible type which is negative. Tra-operand. Linkage. Tendency of a gene to stay together on chromosome is called linkage. Sex linkage associated with sex chromosome. Genetics in India. The first agriculture institute established at Pusa, Bihar 906, which is known as Imperial Agriculture Research Institute, which is later renamed IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. Nobilization of sugarcane. It is very important topic for all students, which who are prepared for any exam like BSc Agriculture, MSc, AG, and other all competitive exams. So we are we are going to discuss about nobilization of cane. Here, the crosses between noble cane and Indian cane. Noble cane is known as Saccharum obscinarum, and Indian cane, which is known as Saccharum spontaneum. After the cross between Saccharum, Indian cane and noble cane, we get high sugar content and disease resistance variety of a sugar cane by the crossing of Indian cane and noble cane. Next, reverse and forward genetics. Reverse genetics. If we talk about reverse genetics, it means all process is reverse. Reverse genetics start with DNA, then gene, then phenotype. But it is totally opposite from forward genetics. Forward genetics, phenotype, forward genetics started study of gene, phenotype, gene, DNA. If you like this video, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.